Hi all, I'm Pramod Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Data My Passion. So in this channel, I bring a lot of videos related to data science. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. So without any further delay, let's start with today's topic. So this is a part 3 video on list in Python and we are going to talk on list comprehension today. So suppose I have a task, I want to print a squares of first 10 numbers. I mean the squares of 0, square of 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. That's what I want to print. And for that I have written a a code here. So you can see I have declare empty list here, and there here I am using a for loop. I am generating a number between 0 to 10. This 11 is the upper limit, so up to 10 the number will be generated. So if you see, this function will return 0, 1, 2, 3 till 10, and one by one it will go into I variable, and here you are squaring the I variable and appending the value to your list. And if you do that, you will get a list holding 10 values from 0 till 10. So 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and so on up to 100. So in order to do this task, I require almost 4 lines of code. You can see it here, or 3 lines of code, right? This I have used for printing the list. So you require 2 to 3 lines of 3 to 4 lines of code to do this task. In Python, you can do that in 1 line of code. I'll show you how, using list comprehension. Okay, so if suppose you want to write down this functionality into 1 line, what you have to do? You have to first create a list, because this is end result here is your list. You have created a list here, right? And you are returning list. So it's a list comprehension. So you have to first create a list. Inside that, you have to write a for loop for I in range 0, 11. Okay, so this will actually, just imagine that this will actually iterate over 0 till 10. Now you want to print I, right? So if you execute that, you will see sequence from 0 till 10. Just see that. Okay, so this is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Now you want to square it, just square it to see. So within 1 line you got the same result whatever you have done through for loop. Okay, so this is you can see a shortcut way of doing some small task. So that's how list comprehension is used. So this is a one example I have shown it to you. Now suppose another example. Let me tell you another example. Suppose you want to print even numbers, okay, from 0 to 10 maybe. You want to print that. How do you do that? Again, start with this bracket for I, or for num in, I am using num variable, okay, range suppose 0, 11. I mean it will take a value from 0 till 10. That's what this particular for loop will do. Now you want to print a number, so I am giving that value number here. So if you do that, it will return 0 till 10. Now you want to only print a number which is even. So how can you achieve that? You have to write if statement here, and you have to say percent by 2 equal to 0. If you do that, so what I'm doing, I'm iterating from a number from 0 to 10, and I'm saying a condition: if this number is divided by 2 is equal to 0, then only you print number. Okay, so whenever this condition is true, then only you have to return a number. That's what it is saying. So if you do that, it will just return 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and this is what it is returning, a list of even numbers. So whenever you use a if condition, whenever it is true, it will always whenever it happens to be true, that particular true information is only getting returned by this list comprehension, and that's how you have to use this particular thing. So this is your printing list of even numbers, and I hope you understand this list comprehension very clearly. Okay, so if you, and this is the end of the video, I would say if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and this particular code will be available in my GitHub link. The link is already given in the description section of this video. So thanks for watching.